guys, I got my new My Little Pony carpet. You see all that? It has Rainbow Dash, Pinkie Pie. She's supposed to be dark. She's supposed to be, I'm light pink, not dark. Princess Twilight Sparkle. And it shows as a star, rainbow. It says My Little logo, My Little Pony. See, this is what got me. My mom got me this new carpet, so now it's in my room. Woo! I put it next to my bed. So it's my Little Pony carpet. Y'all should get these in your rooms. I'm keeping this. It's got everything on here. That is awesome. Look at this. My Little Pony carpet. I didn't see that before. That is new. That is so awesome. I mean, look at that. Look at that nice carpet, man. My Little Pony. Hey, can you guys see the logo on it? My Little Pony. That is awesome. It has 3 ponies. Rainbow Dash, Pinkie Pie. It has Princess Twilight Sparkle. Then it's got the stars, hearts, lightning. The stars, hearts. That is awesome. And guess what, guys? You guys want to see something? I'm like laying on it. Hey! Woo! I know you guys have seen that. So, say goodbye to the 3 ponies. Rainbow Dash, Pinkie Pie, Twilight.